In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to watch NBA games live online for free using official free trials. The best option is to start with National Basketball Association League Pass, which often offers a free trial for new users. During the trial period, you can watch live NBA games, replays, and highlights on your phone, computer, smart TV, or tablet. All you need to do is sign up, create an account, and cancel before the trial ends if you don't want to be charged. Another way to watch NBA live streams for free is by using live TV streaming services that offer trial periods. Platforms like YouTube TV, Hulu Plus Live TV, Fubo TV, and Sling TV sometimes include free trials that give you access to channels broadcasting NBA games such as ESPN, TNT, and regional sports networks. Once you sign up for your trial, simply download the app, log in, and start watching live NBA games instantly. These services work on most devices, including mobile phones, laptops, and smart TVs. It's important to always use official streaming platforms to avoid low-quality streams, buffering issues, or security risk. Free trials are the best legal way to watch NBA games live without paying, especially if you only want to catch a few games or special matchups. And that's it. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.